All right. Maybe I want to handle the dual socket thing. I in the future can do this with a shader, but for now this is fine. What's up, info? Today is the YouTube only day. Get tired of dealing a bunch of different streams. Vibe coded some of that. How's your rally game going? How's it going? Let's see. It's alright, let's not have that. Tune curve physics. Nice. I mean, curve physics might be the only one of the things. The other thing is, I think the camera requires like a different approach. Like you need some kind of smoothing so it doesn't jerk too much around. I think that's why you're getting a stickness effect. Do I just want to set this through anything? Maybe item view system or something. Okay. Socket images. Audio empty. Go empty. Cool. Make it slower. I guess. But I will let you know, like, the anytime you have a camera that kind of follows anything, to make it actually be good, you have to do a lot of work additionally on that thing. Potential springs, conditional logic. What happens when it gets blocked by something? You go into the bridge next to the wall building, and it's some kind of weird 180s. A lot of decisions to be made. Yeah, also that. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Hubba, hubba, hubba. Now, how do I... Is this really the way? Kind of lame. But I guess so. There you go. Okay. Bro, should just rename it properly. Wait. Oh. Don't be bugging me. There you go. What do I call it? Oh, those are different. Yeah. Let's magically change that. Good. What is such a better name? Okay. Okay. Now. Buy the stream a little bit for the name. Good. Good, 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 good. Hey, now I can do this appropriately. That is not ideal. Count does show up. Okay. That's progress. What did do use this? Bunch of crap. About a 1 slot. No. Captain Lizard. Have fun at work as much as you can. Well, save up to do what you want in the future. And hopefully get the skills you want to have for that future. Like I did back at Amazon Days, Microsoft Days. Okay. So that works. But the dual thing doesn't work. Can you give me dual slot? Is it that rare? Is it? There you go. So why is that offset like that? Wait, really? That's... I didn't know that would break UI. Debug U used to work, but not anymore. Interesting. Interesting. It's all vanilla JavaScript. Oh boy. You know, that's the original meaning of brain rot. Not gonna lie, but yeah, at least it's easy enough to get that job. Suppose. Suppose. At one point when I was learning programming, I made a Minesweeper in JavaScript. And one time I had a job interview for casino games. So they had me implement in JavaScript and HTML canvas for like Wheel of Fortune and some other little game. That's my experience. Anyway, so let's pick the entity. Sockets overlay. Interesting. So why is this not centered to begin with? Why it ain't like that? 0, 0. Well, in that case, I'm gonna... Alright, we have that. Let me see the extent. That's getting any concept quickly, yeah. Yeah, that's kind of a general thing for sure. We'll give you very quickly to prototype, and also gives you how kind of concept of a hot reload that I have. Which in my case, it took some brilliant engineers years of work to get to the stage now where I can just magically hot reload C++ code. Well, now that it works 90% of the time, it's amazeballs. But yeah. That's it. That's it. Vampire Survivor's made in JavaScript, so... Let's see, let's make this one. Where's the white square? White square. Oh, just by default it's offset. Why? Oh yeah. Top center. Oh, this is some kind of funky looking bug. It's only because it's top center somehow gets shifted down. I suppose for now I can do a little quickie. So you're saying this would fix it? At least for now. Yeah, okay. So now it's center. I do need to test this to be socketable. Makes me want to have a socketing stations already. Shouldn't be that difficult. But let's see. Too many components, Matt. Need a filter. Bodysuit. Item properties. Oh, boo-hoo. I forgot about that. I forgot about that. Okay, how about this? I'll just add a... Yeah, because that just breaks it entirely, huh? Okay, what about this? Yep. 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 Dipper. Yep. Dipper. That's what I was thinking gonna be a problem. Let's see how to handle this. Oh, but I do force. Oh, this one doesn't respect it. They don't respect it here. I see, but this one doesn't get no respect. Doesn't get no respect. Fine, let's go fix it. Yeah, so it shifts it down. I see. Yeah, so this one looks fine there, but not here. Okay. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Go fix it properly. The height, the height. Up center. Needs to be somewhere in here. Up. Part is moving is too much. It's height to match. Yeah, force height to match with. This is the thing, right? It's not. What is this? Roots from something? Oh. But the stuff. Oh, it's stretched. Maybe I can do it here. What did I miss? Okay. 4 sockets. Oh, yeah. It's like high. Yeah, I forgot about that. I shouldn't duplicate when it's that special property, this thing. Just not and not item as sockets. That was a mistake. Oh. What's cracking? What's going on? Doing some... Trying to get advanced item work. Do I have to... I really don't want to do it, but I guess I might have to. Focus sockets again. Again. Does this not come up? Oh. It's both top and bottoms, right? Oh, it has no sockets, no properties yet. Interesting. If we got unlucky, the first thing got already had a socket. Darn it. It's like I have to decide ahead of time. If this is going to be a socket one or not. Wait, allow socketed. Previously I had an idea of doubling the effects for items spanning 2 slots, which makes sense unless there's a socket tier. Maybe it'll be easy to do instead of that. Go for... and not a socket. Okay. Now. Generate me some of sockets. Okay. That's good. So that's 1, kind of riding up high. Looks fine on here, on single slots. I guess, do I want to accept this for now or not? The thing is... I kind of want to have that difference. I'll leave in that doesn't quite put it down the middle. Okay, I'm getting tired of clicking around like that, so let's just create some custom stuffs. What's that? So do you have any toggles to make it a dual thing? I don't know, it'd be nice to have. Okay, that I don't care about anymore. Give me a few second ones, that's fine. Ooh, double socket. That makes sense. Yeah, I don't check. It's not good. That's not good. That is not good. Property. Socket. And that might should take care of that. Okay, now I need subtype. Subtype. I used to do when I would do both bottom and top. No, well, I'll just create a. Yeah, that's what I want. Yes. Now. Let me see. Okay, so I need to first. So this part is fine. Just need to create a type. Let's dual. Types. And now, secondary type. The hell, dude? Can we convert? No. I know something gives me an option to do. Really? What do you want? Let's type. You want type. Type name. Interesting. Would this work? Bro. What's primary type lookups into this? See. Yeah, so that is fine then. Okay, how about this? How about these apples? Yes. Perfect. On 1 and a 2. Which means I can now test it up. This looks fine here. Looks like crap outside. Wonderful. I feel a need for quick just came. Very quick. I remember. Here takes. Wait, what? Here, knight to here. Check here. Annoying. Wait, what? Really? Here. No, now I'm taking it. No, I don't care. No, I don't care. Here. Here, rook. Here. No, it's fine. Just get rid of this bishop. Get rid of it. Get up a bit. Let's get that done. Okay, queen's off the board. Only up a pawn, so it's not a biggest deal. Sadness. Sadness. Well, let's get. Sadness indeed. Here. Thing is still fine. What you gonna do? That's what I thought. Take it to the pawn. I'm gonna take it to the pawn. I'm gonna take it to the pawn. Oh, wow, I didn't think about that at all, huh? And I'm just gonna live a life without a pawn. A life without a pawn. At least I can castle. Well, I can, but not the best of moves. Double attack. That. I kind of want to be able to castle. And he doesn't seem to want to do that. No. I want the square to be in my way. It's more annoying than I expected it to be. Just on. I'm just gonna have to take it. Just gonna have to take it. Here. If he doesn't trade. Yeah, that's fine. Keep that thing contained. Just so annoying. So annoying to play bad moves. Oof. Okay. Pressure until it breaks. Okay. Back to fixing the slot circles. Right. I made a thing where I can just spawn. I'll grab the first one. I was kind of hoping. Oh, it's fine. That's fine. Looks fine here. Doesn't look fine there. Okay. Absolute difference. The thing about this is window space. Do I need to take into account I think calculated is cost of height and width. It doesn't take into account the aspect ratio of the window. Aspect ratio is what? Width divided by height. Width divided by height. Width divided by height. So the height is half. The aspect ratio is 2. So equalize it. In order to equalize it. What do we need to do with this? That lowered it a bit. Seems a bit on the dangerous side what I'm doing. Oh, I do take into account here. I see, so this one takes into account, but this one doesn't seem to. I mean, but really, this thing doesn't need that. I mean, that's... Instead of doing that, I should just position it center, straight up in the center. Calculated height, calculated top. Yeah, how about I just ignore this? Let's think again. So this is for this element child, right? Why is that slightly off? That is slightly off. And that comes from that, I see. Still that one, okay. Top center, force height to match. Oh, maybe the fact that just the whole slot is not square, actually. Yeah, that's why. Whole position is not actually a perfect square. Do want half the height. Yeah, correct. Correct. Okay. That worked out. Okay. Everything is Gucci. Hydro load counting, rising up, almost 1600. Good, good. Okay. Let's go back to testing the world. Good. For playing the way I play Diablo 4, keyboard and a mouse. I was thinking about adding a cute little UI. Oh, by the way, I do have... I do have a new item property, which makes laser ability piercing. Hand lasers. Oh yeah, I wanted to give it a different color. Yeah, I guess now it pierces through the robots, as opposed to does not pierce. Pierce. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good, good, good. Wait. Oh yeah, I was working on that. Oh yeah, I ran into a problem figuring out how to cleanly find that out. Let's see. Give it some kind of orangey looking color. Give it that. Problem though. Yeah, that's the part. How do I know what item is being shown here? I'm not sure. I am not sure. Okay, here it knows. It knows. Do you know the Muffin Man at this point? Do you know the item here? You do. You do know the item. The challenges. I mean, I suppose I could supply here. Hmm. Fine, let's just go look. On the quick view. Does have access to this, or this one does not? Oh, the parent has a difference. The parent knows. The parent knows. So at least I could do that. Hmm. Be right back. All right, let's see. View panel. Down to what item property? This Rem details 4. Right. Okay. This is unnecessarily complex and deep. Or maybe he wants to. Maybe I can just cut this out. Maybe. Jesus Christ. Okay, I think that makes it. Oh no. Hey. Hmm? Okay. I'll let you do the same thing in that case too. Oh. Oh, because then I need to look at something else. Okay. Yeah. For this thing. Be back. back. All right. That part is there. It's time to work on legendary items, uniques. Perhaps. Tier 3. Item tier Z. Rarities. It's tier 2. So even that is not good enough. Wow. Skip it too. Hey, Liz. What's cracking? I might be coming to the end of the stream for now. This time to maybe cook a bunch of steaks. But today just finished. Oh, did I? Turn off. Oh, there you go. Have a legendary property. Lasers actually pierce through now. Because without that, it stops at the robot. And with this, it just goes right through. A bunch of steaks, that's right. What happened to the mid guy in the chat? Not sure. Not sure. Yeah, but I have my possessions. Some prime cuts of meat and crap ton of eggs. But this year, 2026, is a year of gameplay. It's time to actually put serious amount of work into actual gameplay. Enough of base level tech. Kobe beef. I just like ribeyes, nothing fancy. Although, depending on the country you're from, that might be fancy. Alright, so let's see. First boss, zone 5. Well, every year is a fun year so far, but this is basically the third year now of development. It's about time to get serious. Need some proper demos here. Know what I'm saying? I'll still be doing some incremental stuff, because that's just what you do. Okay, zone 6. Yes, I should still say your next goal, next quest on the list. Oh yeah, now that type of laser is much more interesting. Pull out all the stops. Well, stops the same, it's more just what you're focusing on. In preparation for that, I've been playing Diablo 4 pretty hard to get a feel for what's state of the art when it comes to Diablos. Might be in the mood implementing like a special type of chest where you click, it spawns a bunch of robots. And only really opens up once you take them all out. As an example. Also do have gems now. And sockets. Anything of a socket? Yes. Double motivation, yeah. So for example, here's a socketed item with 2 sockets, and I can just drag them, drop into the socket. Hey, I thought this would be working, but it's not. Yeah, well, to be fair, as an art, as a solo dev, you know, you just kind of go what you kind of stumble on, more or less. Especially since I'm not an artist. Oh, hold on, this is not correct. It should show one of them filled, and it's not. And it's not. How dare you? It should be showing this, and it's not. Is it really not here? Item sockets 0. It clearly says 1 out of sockets. If it's not empty, then go up. Oh. Go for evil stuff. Indeed. Honestly, the biggest thing about going like a dark style is that you need to really work on lighting pretty hard. Like having like a full-blown light out like that everywhere is kind of easy. But once you do like partial, you need like 2 additional lighting models, so that most of it is dark and just kind of around you just to have light, which I could probably do. Maybe one day. Why is this not counting it? It's like it's used. Huh. Maybe it's just not. Oh, there's some kind of break thing here. Size is less than... Oh, I understand. I don't really need this anymore. There you go. Now we have proper... Now it's gonna be... Hey, it doesn't do red anymore. Where did red go away? Color. Empty sockets. Is this somehow wrong? Fire GUI, welcome back. How hard was it to turn the creation of this game into a full-time job? Well, it's very easy. You just quit full-time job and you work on this. But the game's not out yet, so for now, it's been nothing, just losing money. Okay, that is... It should be red color, and it's not. You're saying this somehow. Yeah, it's very easy. You just quit your real full-time job and work on this. Decision was easy then? No, really, but I was kind of forcing my hand. Used to work at Amazon for a game engine, but then at some point, Amazon decided to shut down the whole thing. So I was like, well, become web dev now at Amazon or actually start this game. So I figured, hey, might as well. So let's see. It finds a count of 2. Sockets has 2. Please don't tell me it's empty still true. I assume it's false. This has empty sockets, returns false. Cannot. Oh, this wasn't set, biscuit. Yep. Indeed. That's the best thing. Get savings so you can just focus on this full time. Guess I just didn't set the colors. How many colors that? Property colors. No, not this. Oh yeah, I didn't set it. Whoops. And cannot slot. That's an easy fix. There you go. Just white on this. Cannot socket. Good. Actually, it says it cannot socket either way. Great. That, like that. Indeed. Okay. A few more fixes. All right. We'll return tomorrow. We'll see. For now, it's time to go get some bunch of beef. A bunch of beef. Take that, piercing laser. GG's indeed. Until next time, Dragon Ball Z.